trees look different today? Why do leaves have so many colors?
Ah, you noticed. The trees are getting ready for a seasonal makeover.
But they look green most of the time.
That's because of something called chlorophyll. It helps leaves use sunlight to make food.
What?
Chlorophyll. It gives leaves their green color.
So where do the yellow and orange come from?
Those colors are already inside the leaves. They're just hidden by the green.
Hidden? Really?
Yes. When autumn comes, the days get shorter and cooler.
And then what happens?
The leaves stop making as much chlorophyll, so the green fades away.
Oh, so the yellow and orange show up.
Exactly.
Wow, so trees are changing colors before winter?
Yes, it's part of how they prepare for the colder season.
I love autumn. It's like the trees are painting.
Yes, nature's very own art show.
Mini sounds for growing minds.
Why do leaves change color? Look up at the tree. Leaves are green on every tree, waving, waving back at me. In the sun they grow all day, bright and green in every way. Why are leaves green? Red, yellow, orange too. Pretty colors just for you. Green goes away, now we see colors on the autumn tree. What happens in autumn? Days get short and nights get cool. Leaves don't make green like they used to. Green goes slowly, fades away. New bright colors come to play. Where do the colors come from? Red, yellow, orange too. Pretty colors just for you. Green goes away, now we see colors on the autumn tree. Watch the leaves fall down. Leaves fall down one by one, dancing softly, having fun. On the ground they rest and stay till new leaves come back one day.